Hello and welcome back to episode 14 of our 30-day English speaking challenge. You can ask questions now if you are still following, but conversations don't survive just on questions, right? कभी आपसे भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा तो आपको रिस्पॉन्ड भी करना है. Conversations grow when you respond naturally. Today, I will show you how to reply so you sound number one interested, number two confident, and number three fluent. Let's begin. Now, why responses matter more than answers? Many learners reply with just one word: yes, no, okay, fine, good, and that ends conversations. Natural speakers will always react and then respond. That's today's rule: react first, then reply. So use this simple formula in conversations: R, react, E, expand, A, ask back. कैसे? सबसे पहले है इट्स अ रिएक्ट फॉर्मूला. आर से रिएक्ट, short emotional responses. Oh, really? That's great. Interesting. That's how you react to somebody when somebody is telling you something. Oh, really? That's new. That's very interesting. E से आएगा expand. आपने एक और sentence add करना है. So you have to expand. A से आएगा ask back. Always return the conversation. जैसे आपने बोला, oh, that's interesting. I've never tried that before. Expand किया और फिर लास्ट में what about you? Simple, natural and fluent. ठीक है. अब आता है common natural responses. So this time you have to repeat after me. Number one, that sounds interesting. Please repeat exactly. You have to copy. Okay, copy the way it is spoken, copy the way it is, how you have to imply the intonations, कहाँ पे stress देना है, कहाँ पे नहीं देना है. That sounds interesting. Number two, oh, I see. Number three, really? That's nice. Number four, I've heard about that. Number five, that must have been challenging. Number six, I can relate to that. So using these makes you sound engaged. कि आप सुन रहे हो किसी की बात तो आप रिएक्ट कर रहे हो, लग रहा है कि कॉन्वर्सेशन में हो. नहीं तो कभी आपने देखा है कुछ लोगों को ठीक है, ओके, मतलब के भी लिख के भेजते हैं. कॉन्वर्सेशन ब्रेकर्स. लेट्स प्रैक्टिस. ओके, रिस्पॉन्स की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. यू स्पीक अलाउड. आई विल से समथिंग, सो यू respond using the react plus expand plus ask formula. Okay, REA. I started learning English recently. You respond to it. React plus expand plus ask. Oh, really? That's very nice. How is it going on? I had a very busy day today. Third, I'm planning a short trip next week. Oh, wow. That sounds amazing. Where are you going? Where are you planning your trip to? You can pause the video and respond aloud. जो भी आपके दिमाग में पहली चीज़ आती है. That's real conversation flow. Okay? Now avoid certain conversation killers. ट्राई नॉट टू एंड योर कॉन्वर्सेशन. अगर आपने एंड ही करना है तब कर सकते हो, लेकिन अगर आपने कॉन्वर्सेशन करना है, बढ़ाना है, तो ट्राई नॉट टू एंड विथ ओके और साइलेंस. इंस्टेड ऑलवेज एड वन लाइन और वन क्वेश्चन. वन एक्स्ट्रा लाइन इज इक्वल टू कॉन्फिडेंस. डे 14 का होमवर्क: यूज द रिएक्ट फॉर्मूला इन वन कॉन्वर्सेशन टुडे. रिप्लेस one word replies with a full response and your journal prompt. Write one line: today I responded naturally when dash. You've completed 2 full weeks of this challenge. Well done. Your English is no longer isolated words, it's becoming real conversation. So if you are still with me, please comment. Day 14 done. I sound natural now. When we move on to day 15, we will work on handling mistakes gracefully while speaking. कोई बात नहीं, mistakes सबसे हो जाती हैं. How do you handle it? Sometimes slip of tongue हो जाता है, कभी word नहीं आता. No panic, no embarrassment. We'll learn that. This is Annie from Speak Up with Annie. Keep responding, keep connecting. Your fluency is alive.